Weekly horoscope week commencing 2nd August till 8th of August for all of you. And this particular weekly horoscope this particular preview part is based on your moon sign as well as your rising sign. If you know your moon sign, you can take it according to that. If you know your rising sign, you can take it according to your rising sign. In the major premium content, we have 6 parts. This is one of the 6 parts. In premium content, we define about the tasks, precautions, chantings, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, as well as the transit of moon. But in preview, we only define conclusion part 1. Other parts are not included. But if you want other parts, you can visit my website and go for the premium content for all of you. Gemini conclusion part 1. In this coming week, your expenditure can be higher than your income. You'll come across lots of obstacles, delays, waste of time, but your progression will be there. Gemini, you'll come across lots of financial instability and uncertainties. By the weekend, you got to look after your health and seek attention. Sometimes you'll struggle to save the money. Please be aware of any bad debts. Gemini, you must not get carried away and you got to use your common sense, applied wisdom before you make any commitment to any financial decision. Please be aware of cheating, deception, fraud. Don't take everybody's word of speech like a literally universal truth. The answer is no. Keep on asking questions. Keep on investing. Whatever somebody is trying to convince you or saying anything to you. Health-wise, look after your eyesight. An issue linked with lower abdomen, with bladder or urine or feet or legs or knees can be appeared. This is not the right time, Gemini, for any kind of speculation or investment, because you will not be able to achieve your desired result or expected reward there and then. No. Due to Saturn's position in 8th house, look after your marriage, look after your health, look after your flow of income. Moon Rahu in 12th house. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Beware of unexpected huge expenditure. Beware of any kind of financial losses. Ketu's position in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies. If you have any health problem linked with your feet, bladders, urine, lower abdomen, go and see your doctor. For completed weekly horoscope report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the whole weekly horoscope report from there, and which will define you complete analysis of the whole week, that will define you your moon's transit effect, that will tell you exactly your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness for this coming week. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the report, achieve the report, implement the report, achieve your best.